Okay, good day, grade 8s. I hope you are doing well. We're just going to go through this week, so week 5. The first lesson we're going to do is just a tropical grassland savannas review. Okay, so you've already done this a little bit, but I'm just going to double check that we've completed it, okay? So what we're going to do is, so first, all I want you to do, so yeah, if you open up the PowerPoint that I've sent you, so we're going to have a presentation on grassland savannas, so just have a quick review, then we've got some worksheets to look over, and then you'll have your kind of end of unit quiz, and I'll give you some help on that, okay? So first, just put this header, pause the video, put these unit topic objectives down, okay? And with your name on that, so it's either typed or on folder sheet. So just pause the video, or you can just do that on using the PowerPoint. If you need to be using page 120 and 122 of your SS book. Now this is here, and so we've got about the tropical grassland savannas, okay? As you can see, the grass is very high there, and you might have seen pictures that look a bit more like that. And this is kind of what links in with what we do. So you can go through your book there, highlight the main points, use the video that I'm going to do now to describe that, because we're going to look at... And so you might have seen pictures such as that for the savannah, kind of those wildlife documentaries, okay? And you can see for a long distances. Now, however, it doesn't rain that often here, but when it does, all of those plants suddenly grow, and that's why you get to see those sort of there. So when do you think would be best to go on a safari, during rainy season or when it's not rainy? Yep. So yeah, you do not want to go during rainy season, because one, yep, you get wet. Secondly, the grass will grow, and so will the plants, and you won't be able to see the animals that you've come to see, okay? So this is somewhere that changes quite a lot. So what I want to do, just as a review, is go through, complete these notes that are on the PowerPoint I've sent you. There's a word bank there to help you to complete that, okay? So pause the video, complete that. Same here for agriculture in the savannas, okay? Got the word bank there. If you need help, you've got your textbook to help you to complete that, okay? So you've completed all of that. So you've paused the video, complete that. Then you can check your answers here, okay? So the grass can grow tall enough to hide an elephant, okay? So that's what I was talking about, how the idea that it can grow at certain times, okay? And they have special adaptations so they can survive, so they can protect themselves, so for long periods of time, and then when it rains, they can sprout back up and come back out, okay? So that's that idea that it can really survive long periods of time without rainfall there, okay? They generally practice pastoral farming, okay? Now, we've done about the different types of farming, so arable and pastoral. So this is going to be the raising of animals, okay? However, they can do arable farming if they have irrigation systems in place, okay? So to be able to water their crops. But then climate change is becoming a problem of this. Desertification areas are becoming into deserts, which is impacting on their lives, okay? And we kind of did that when we looked over at desert climates. So make sure you've got those notes, you've got those revisions, okay? Lesson 2. So if we go back to this first document that we had here. So yeah, lesson 1, watch the YouTube video. You're doing that now. Complete the notes in the PowerPoint. Then we got Mediterranean vegetation, okay? Again, put the topic, the objectives down. The task, read through Social Studies Book 2, page 122. So we've got it here, okay? Read through there, and what you need to do, read through there, and then you've got the worksheets titled, What is Mediterranean Vegetation Like, okay? And so read through the worksheet, What is Mediterranean Vegetation Like, okay? Read through both sides of the worksheet, looking out for those keywords. Now that's because they will come up in the test later, okay, in the short quiz, okay. So go through, underline it, okay. Complete tasks 1, 2, 3, and 5, and complete those answers on folder sheet, okay. Okay, and put that into your binder to be safe. So if I show you those worksheets, we've got cancel. We've got what is Mediterranean vegetation like, okay? Again, we've got that same keywords that are coming up, like dormant, okay? The natural vegetation, protection against the heat. We've got all these adaptations that are written down here on that worksheet there, okay? So you can just go through. That shouldn't take you long just to click through that. Now I know this one, you've got to rotate the view counterclockwise. Try to save it, otherwise it's not worked that way. So you go through, read there. Again, we've got some more keywords on there. Then you've got the tasks at the bottom there, okay? Complete that, upload it. Well, sorry, put it into your binder. Now, if you upload it, I'm happy to check it, okay? But after that, we're going to go to woodlands and forests, okay? Again, put a new objective down. Read through the passage 125 to 127. Okay, so this is in your book, 125 to 127, and it goes through the forest lands, coniferous forests. Make sure you know the difference between a deciduous and a coniferous forest. If you're not sure, this is all nicely, easily found by just looking in your glossary. And I'm just trying to get the page for the glossary here. Yeah, so on page 130, it has those two definitions, coniferous forest, deciduous trees. Now, that's that idea with one of those where the leaves come off during the winter and the other one's not. I'll let you find that out by looking on that page, okay? And I'm giving you a clue, it will be on that test quiz that you will do. Okay, read through the passage, deciduous woodlands, highlight the key passages, and then read through the worksheet, temperate grasslands and forests, two-sideds. Now, you've already read one half already. So if I just open that up now. So you've already completed the temperate grasslands at the top here a couple of weeks ago. But then we've got here the temperate forests, okay? The forests of this zone consist of two types of tree, deciduous and coniferous. Deciduous trees lose their leaves during the year, normally during the cold or dry seasons. Coniferous are evergreen, okay? They do not lose their needles all at one time, so it's not dependent on the weather there, okay? So you've got those, underline those notes there. As I said, that's going to come up in the quiz. And then you go to worksheet 2, goes into more detail about deciduous forests, okay? Complete the worksheet, go through that, okay? Once you have done that, close all tabs, yep. Once you have done that, you will be in a really good position, okay, to go onto the Plus portal and complete the online multiple choice quiz. Okay, you can go onto the home screen, select coursework, and then the calendar. The quiz will be on there, but you'll only have one attempt. So make sure you've reviewed the whole of the vegetation unit. I've included a little revision guide in the PowerPoint. So I've given through some of the topics here. Okay, so there's some of the topics: types of vegetation, tropical rainforest, factors impacting vegetation growth, key words noted. Okay, Bahamian vegetation, and then I've even put in some questions, so some ideas of what questions that might get you thinking. Whether you want to complete those questions, I would do that to help in your revision, okay? When you have done that, then go on, do the multiple choice quiz, okay? And good luck with that, okay? If you have any questions, then just give me an email, okay? So we've got 3 things there, okay? Nice, simple things there. I seem to have typed things on my elbow there. Okay, so I hope you're well. Any questions, then just send me an email. Thank you.